In this video, I will show you how to download Octohide VPN to your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. Now, to do that, all you have to do is come over to your application called Downloader. If you don't have this application called Downloader, it is a very important application you should have on your smart TV. To install it, check the description of this video. There is a guide there that's going to help you install the application to your smart TV. Once you downloaded the application to your smart TV, launch it. Now what downloader does is that it's going to show you various places on the internet where you can install any application, any files, any APKs just by typing in this home box here. So once you come over here, type the name of the VPN, which is Octohide VPN, and then click on Go. Once you click on Go, downloader is going to show you where you can install the Octohide VPN from your browser. So here are various options. You can come over to this option here, which is one of the best, or you can scroll down a little bit. Here's another one. But we're going to use this one up here. Let's go with this. Once you click on that, as you can see, here is your link that is going to help you install Octohide VPN to your smart TV. I can subscribe to this video for more important videos like this.